Donna Elvira is a noble woman. She believes in marriage with Don Giovanni, and he's actually stayed with her for 3 days before leaving her, which for this opera is probably 3 days longer than anyone else he's tried to be with, because he's always trying to be with someone for one night. There's always a chase about him. Donna Elvira is in love with him. She sees no one else but Don Giovanni. We know that he's got grand palaces and houses and lots of money and wealth, and he's mostly successful, I would have said, before this opera starts. And then as soon as this opera starts, he tries really hard to bed all these beautiful women, but he never succeeds because Donna Elvira is always there. She's always there to stop him before he makes his bad choice. And I think towards the end of the opera, she really thinks she needs to save this guy, because she realizes throughout the course of the opera that there is something wrong with him.
Donna Anna doesn't want Don Giovanni. Don Giovanni abuses Donna Anna and he kills her father. She's traumatized and she wants to get her revenge, but also she wants to find peace and move on. My favorite thing about Donna Anna is that she's very modern and she really takes time for herself and refuses to be manipulated by men around her. Don Giovanni is a narcissistic man, and I think he takes everything he wants and he doesn't matter about the consequences. The incredible music, I think, is for me the most important thing.
Mozart's written it in such a way to give it this lightness and spring, and he's so clever with the text. For me, Don Giovanni is a comedy and a tragedy all together.